What's up, guys? So we got a new project in the shop today. This is my dad's new 2004 GMC V6 5-speed truck. As you can see, it's pretty torn down already, but I have some pictures of what it looked like all together yet. So it's a 2004, originally a GMC V6 truck. We plan to make the front end a Chevy 03 to 06 cat-eye front end, and also put either a 4.8 or a 5.3 into it. The interior's in pretty decent shape, but we plan to do a full console with a remote shifter like my truck. Find some carpet for it, clean it up a little bit, possibly change the color, but most likely keep the tan and do the console and stuff like that. So my plan with this video is basically just to show the frame sort of restoration that we're going to do, clean it up a little bit, and then we made a pretty massive order online for parts. Basically all new suspension, A-arms, springs, tie rods, steering rack, brake lines, brake hoses, brakes, calipers, rotors. Pretty much got everything brand new to throw on this thing. But first we got to clean up the frame a little bit, make it look nice, paint it, and then we can assemble all the new parts onto it. So if you're familiar with the truck that I have, that I've shown on this channel, 2004 silver truck, we're going to do kind of a similar kind of setup to that. Basically a mostly stock truck, lowered a little bit, 2-inch shackles in the back, put some nice wheels on it, do the console and shifter and stuff like that. Basically make it a stock, nice V8 5-speed truck. Not going to do anything crazy like a race motor or nothing like that. Just a nice stock V8 cruiser. So here it is before we start cleaning up the frame a little bit. We're going to have to do a little bit of power washing. Get rid of this scaly rust, clean it up, do a little paint work, and we'll show that, a little bit of that here pretty soon. We just spent about a day with a wire brush and getting a lot of the loose scale off. Clean it up a little bit more and should be ready to paint now. Here's what the front looks like before paint. Alright, there's where I think I'm going to end this video here. Got the chassis all painted. Frame is all painted. All the suspension, all the brakes and everything are on. Up here we got brand new upper and lower control arms, springs, shocks, new brakes, calipers, rotors, sway bar, reman steering rack. Got the motor mount brackets in for the V8. Got all new brake lines. Those are 90% ran. Just got to hook those up a little bit more. Got a new master cylinder. Back here we got a different fuel tank for the V8. If anybody's interested in a couple things that we have to do to make the V8 work in this truck, let me know. I'll maybe cover that in the next video with the motor swap and stuff. But we got the evap canister, new fuel pump. Everything's painted back here, new shocks, new leaf springs, new parking brake hardware, brakes, rotors. These are actually the wheels off my truck. I'm giving them to my dad for this project. We put some, these are actually the same tires that I just put on my truck, in a one size smaller tire once again. So these are 275 45 20 tires. Be able to see what that all looks like once we get the bed and stuff back on in a future video. I think the paint job turned out really nice. If anybody's interested, we use the Eastwood Rust Encapsulator Plus paint. And back here we got 2-inch drop shackles on it already. We're gonna keep it pretty much stock height, other than that, just the 2 inches lower in the back. There it is, all complete. Thanks for watching.